Hello everyone, myself Nitin Arora MR. Our project is ambulance detection and traffic control. Now I am giving the abstract of our project. Ambulance detection and traffic control is a project based on image processing and machine learning. Image processing is a method to perform some operation on an image in order to get an enhanced image or extract some useful information from it. It is a type of signal processing in which input is an image and output may be image or a characteristics feature associated with that image. Image processing and machine learning is used to detect an ambulance which is at a distance from the signal and opens up that signal so that by the time the ambulance reaches the signal, it can freely pass by. It uses image processing to process the captured image and sends a signals to the microprocessor. If it detects an ambulance, the microprocessor then turns on the green light until the ambulance passes the signal. This proposed project saves much time which is wasted usually while the ambulance is waiting for the signal to be clear.
Hello everyone, I am Shoaib Ahmed. I'll be taking traffic management. Traffic management means measures taken serve to preserve traffic capacity and improve the security, safety, and reliability of the overall road transport system. To control traffic signals, government is setting up signals in congested areas and where accidents occurring frequently. According to survey conducted in 2019, India has 4 cities in top 10 congested areas globally. In India, more than 5 lakh accidents occur annually, so there is much demand for ambulance these days. But due to traffic, even ambulance can't reach the destination in time. As we can see in the above picture, ambulance is stuck in traffic and other vehicles are trying to make a way for ambulance so that it can reach its destination. In India, we do not have any proper system which can help ambulance to reach its destination on time. So we have developed ambulance detection and traffic control, which helps clear a way for ambulance and also detects ambulance in advance using image processing. Once our system detects an ambulance, it will send alert to the ARM processor present in the signal, which will turn on green lights.
Hello everyone, I am Sumukas, ISC Department 5th semester. I'll be explaining you our project ambulance detection and traffic control by using this block diagram and also giving you a practical application use of how it is implemented using Python, TensorFlow and OpenCV. In this block diagram we have camera sensor as an input device which will be fed to a processing unit like a PC which will give instructions to the ARM controller for giving instructions for the ambulance itself and also given appropriate signal for the signal to control traffic. Our post system use machine learning and image processing algorithms to detect the ambulance at least a kilometer away from the signal and send microcontroller and the ambulance alerts. It is implemented using Keras, OpenCV, TensorFlow in Python. Proposed system also calculates the current speed and average speed of all the vehicles and also predicts the lane where it is moving from and the approximate time the next signal is. Let's get right into the code and see how the code is implemented to get these results. This is the code which I have used for implementation of ambulance detection and traffic control. You can pause the video for the clear code at any point of time. Now if I run this code, as an initial setup I will have to enter my location where I will be starting from and I will be going to, here in this case, Waterloo station to Bridge Hospital. If I press OK, it will automatically calculate the distance and give it to me as 2.4 kilometers. Now if I kill this process, I'll be given two windows, one of a grayscale. I'll be given a screen which shows the image. This is a recorded one. it can also be a live video and will also count the number of vehicles on the street. Here it also gives more important information like the speed of the vehicle, the lane which is it traveling, and it also sometimes gives if there is a possibility of an ambulance, that there is an ambulance, and also change the signal to green in around 10 minutes.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranav. I'm studying in 5th semester B section, ISC department. Today I'll be giving out the advantages or the benefits of our project. So our project is basically more efficient when compared to the existing system, which uses RFID scanner. And our project is very easy to implement as well as it is very easy to expand because we'll be using Python in our project, which offers various modules which supports machine learning as well as image processing. Also, the traffic analysis would be much better when we use this system, as ambulance is detected from a very far distance. Also in US we have this emergency lanes which offer ambulance safe way to travel faster, and by connecting and expanding this system in our country we can also provide such a feature for the ambulance so that the ambulance can cover large distances in minutes. Coming to societal relevance, when it comes to accidents, India has around 5 lakh accidents which occur annually. So this is the highest in the world. Also, we see that around 68% of traffic congestion occur due to the signals only. So how our project contributes to the society is that we'll be clearing the signal to the ambulance so that as soon as the ambulance reaches the signal, it can easily pass through. There would be no traffic at all. So this can save many human lives, as we know, time is very precious when it comes to medical emergency. Coming to future scope, our project can be basically classified into three modules. First module involves setting up cameras at various locations within a few kilometer radius and connecting it to the computer. The module 2 basically consists of the software part, which involves the analysis of the captured image and by comparing it with the data sets using suitable machine learning models. And model 3 involves setting up a few ARM microcontrollers at the signal which would be connected to our computer, and it will monitor the signal based on the input received. So we have implemented module 2 so far, and we would be happy to implement the remaining modules in the coming semester. These are the references. Thank you.